Esmir, winner din sa kanyang matagal ng request.
Thank you, Lord! Thank you so much, Lord, for this!
Here we are gathered to formally celebrate our first ever mango float in this house. From mungo float to mango float. Please scoop one mango float. Let's cheers for the success of our company. Cheers! At let's say salamat, kuya. Salamat, kuya. Sobrang sarap niya. Grabe yun.
Nagwala na siya.
Di ba clear?
Ma'am, ang sarap! Kuya, maraming salamat. Ang naiyak ako.
Bakit gumuguho yung mundo mo again?
Right? Kuya, wala si Ron dito pero nagjujudo yung mango float sa bunganga ko, kuya.
Sobrang perfect ng consistency ng condensed milk tsaka ng cream.
Kuya, thank you so much! Since day one pa talaga to!